Good morning, TMS. Casey Winder, the head of the bowling coach for Tiffin Columbian High School, is looking for up to 16 bowlers for the Traveling Bowling League. This is a league that bowling in a high school style format. 2 regular games and 5 Baker games, and each team has 4 kids per team. This is a good and fun introduction to high school bowling center.
This is not directly affiliated with Tiffin Middle School, but we are a Tiffin bowling team, and parents or guardians are responsible for transportation. Our first practice will be held December 14th at Plaza Lanes from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and costs $10 for shoes. Matches are held on Sundays with a 12 p.m. start time. First match will be January 19th or January 26th, and the league will be 8 weeks long plus an awards week. If interested, please call or message Coach Weidner by December 14th at 419-307-9731.
The Tiffin Middle girls swept Willard in Saturday morning hoops. 7th grade won 44-38.
Mya Shriver leading the way with 14 points. Emmy Weber added 11, while Della Lofquist added 8. 8th graders won an impressive 46-15 fashion. Madi Shriver led the way with 27 points, and Caroline Newlove added 10.
The TMS 7th grade basketball team lost to Willard Middle School's 7th grade team by a score of 41-19. Mya Shriver led the way with 7 points and was followed by Deontay Jackson with 7 points. The TMS 8th grade basketball team defeated Willard Middle School's 8th grade team by a score of 53-41. Kyle Hepp placed the Tornadoes with 18 points and was followed by Zach Kirshner's 11 points. Blake Tucker and Lucas Weiser chipped in 8 points apiece. Both teams visit the Chargers of Edison Middle School on Monday, December 9th, 2024.
Please remember that tomorrow is the last day to bring in items for the stocking for seniors. Bring in the items to your Tornado Time teacher. Let's help bring smiles to our senior citizens in our area.
Student Council will be selling candy canes next week, December 16th through December 20th, during all lunches. Each candy cane is $1, and they include original, peppermint, Airhead, Skittles, and Starburst flavors.
Staff and students, this week is the last week to order Cooper shirts. Don't miss out on this. Remember to fetch your orders from in the office. If you have any questions, please see Miss Malat. Lunch will offer taco meat, corn, refried beans, peach, applesauce.
Tornado
Pride, we don't stop.